Welcome everybody. In this video I want to show you how you can do the noise reduction in Davinci Resolve, and it's really pretty easy. Let's say that you have a clip here and you want to get rid of the background noise. All you have to do is click here on the effects library, then go to Audio FX, Fairlight FX, and find noise reduction. Now you just need to grab noise reduction and paste it on your audio line. When you paste it on your audio line, go to auto speech mode.
24年芦名の国は斜陽にあり
And now it's much quieter. And you can't hear anything. You can also try clicking on manual and learn, and it will adapt automatically, and you can play around with the detection, smoothing and output. Every audio is different, so every audio needs different settings if you want to do it manual. For my videos I always use auto speech mode. Thank you all everybody, and goodbye.